Hi everyone, this is Aaron with Crypto Trends, and today I'm just kind of like shopping, going through the charts, see if there's anything interesting, and really that's about it. And so I thought, hey, might as well have you guys here and join me for this little ride and kind of like what I do. And today is February 22nd, 2018. Please keep in mind that this is not financial advice, just my opinion. And anyway, let's go take a look where we're at. We're at 432 billion with a Bitcoin dominance of, well, it's right around that 40% range. It's at 39%. And it's just above, Bitcoin is just above 10,000. And let's see what else. Do we have anything else of interest here? Well, looks like everything's kind of gone down about, 10-15% on the week, some more. Right now, about 3 to 8% range. It's just the market, right? It's just the market. So on days like this, when I see a bunch of red, I kind of go out and look for if there's any type of deals to be made. So I usually go over to Binance, and this is the desktop version of Binance that I use. I like it a lot. And right now I'm looking at the 2-hour candle on Bitcoin, and we'll see what's going on here. Scrolling a bit. Boom, 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 boom. It's taking a dump there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right. Let's go to the 5-minute, see what that looks like. Okay. Actually looks like the market doesn't quite know what to do. That it's yeah, and this is a general overall trend I'll talk a little bit about. Since about I guess about a few days ago, there's starting to be, I don't know if you felt it or felt that way, but it's almost like a malaise, a capitulation or indecision of what to do, of where the market's going, etc. And it still has that general overall feel looking at the charts and stuff. I mean, there's really no huge ups or downs for the most part. Yeah, we're taking a bit of a hit on Bitcoin, but in reality, I'm not seeing that it's like that bad, and that's just me. But then keep in mind, I am a long-term holder. I am bullish on Bitcoin. And so, yeah, I mean, where could it go? I mean, it could go up or down from here, right? I know a lot of people on the, like on YouTube and stuff like that are saying 8,800 level. I don't know. Me personally, I don't think it's going to go there. I think we're pretty much just going to be going flat. With ups and downs. Don't quote me on that. I'm not a professional advisor by any means, but there is a lot of volume here, which is kind of interesting. So, kind of interesting. It's almost like the big money is accumulating. That's kind of like the impression that I'm getting, is that the big money is accumulating, taking advantage of the little drops. And to me, I think they're preparing for June. I think the big money, I'm really thinking we're going to see some really big money hit mid-May to June levels. And so we'll see. But that is a lot of nice volume here for Bitcoin. Anyway, what I kind of do is I usually go over to the Ether tables here. I arrange them by name. Otherwise, if I do it by volume or change, the things pop around too much and it's just annoying. And so I'm just kind of looking at trends. So we're looking at some charts here. It's on the 4-hour. And zoom in here. Yeah, that's kind of flat. Just general decline. That's 80A. Yeah, I think I'll skip that one today. That one's having a 80X. I don't think so. That's too new on the market, on Binance that is. Kind of too flat for me. See, AMB, same thing, too flat. This one looks interesting. APPC. Let's go and look at its 30-minute. What do you think's going on there, guys? See this pattern here? I really like that pattern a lot. That's just me. A downward, you know, a descending wedge, right? That's one of my favorite patterns to look at. So is this thing going to go lower? Well, it looks like it's hitting up there. Good old headless horseman. I know there's different names of it. I'm a little bit macabre, and so I call it headless. Okay, not too interesting, actually. Look at ARC. No. ARN. No. AST. No. BAT. BAT looks interesting. Let's take a look at BAT. Fell below. Let's go to Notepad. So what I do is I just make a note of the coins I'm going to look at further. Because BAT looks... To me, BAT looks like it's getting ready to move. And that's just me. Let's go to the 2 hour. And, you know, like, I mean, this isn't an exciting video. I mean, it's not a review. It's none of that good stuff. But I'm just kind of going down here. Anyway, you see this pattern here? It's like that descending wedge. And let's go out and look at the 6 hour. Wow, that's that big old dump there. Let's look at the 4 hour. And what I'm looking at is, I'm going over here, I'm looking right around this area here. And instead of like, one thing I kind of like to do, instead of like picking the very top or the very bottom, I like to kind of pick the middle area. And you'll notice how that actually kind of lines up. See that over here? Boom, boom, boom. And then, you know, so it could come down a bit. So that's what I would be expecting, that it would come down. And, come on, thing, stop moving. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, so I'm going to put BAT on my list to look at. Maybe I'll pick some up tonight. It's currently at 34 cents. We'll see. And then if I pick it up, you know, keep in mind that I'm not paying any attention to the fundamentals at all. I'm just merely kind of like looking at the price action, more or less. This is like my crystal ball page. You know, because I mean, in charting, yeah, you can do a lot of cool stuff with it, but you know what, it comes down to the experience of the user of the charter and how they interpret it and where they think it's going. And that's really the big thing. It can be a great tool for you, you know, and you got to rely upon your intuition, your experience, your wisdom, you know, and a whole bunch of things. And you know, the more you practice charting, the better you'll get at it. But I'm more of a fundamental person. I'm just looking right now. So I'm looking at BAT. And I'm thinking it's going to go down a bit. The times I like to buy, just so you know, are around between 8 and 8:30 Pacific Standard Time. And that's because I've noticed that the bots usually kick in around 9 to 9:30. And so I like to catch it just before the bots kick in, which usually increases it. That's just another cool kind of trend that I've noticed. So anyway, moving on. This. I like to see that more of a parabolic down. Wait, this is not normal. This is not normal. See these huge spikes here? Boom, like a big old buy wall. I wouldn't call that normal at all. So on stuff like this, I'm saying, hey, there's other things in play external other than the bots, like some type of group manipulating it. And I think I'm going to avoid that for now because I don't want to get involved in all that stuff. This one looks interesting. BCD. Yeah, it could be interesting. I think I'll pass. Huh. Okay, I think I'll pass. Bluezell. Too new on the market. Okay. It just got listed on Binance. And Binance for new listings does some crazy things. See what else we have here. Still on the 4 hour. Let's go with the 2 hour. Oh, this is interesting. BNB. Okay. This is Binance's coin. If you're on Binance, I highly suggest getting BNB and take advantage of the discounts that you can use for their trading fees if you have, because you can get a nice discount with the BNB coin if you hold some, and it will apply portions of that to your trading fees. And so that's a real nice thing. Plus, it's a great exchange. But I am actually liking that a lot, so I'm going to put that on my little list. BNB, I need to pick some up anyway, so that makes me happy. Yeah, so we'll see. Looks like, yeah, trend is your friend. Looks like it's kind of going down a bit, and then I'm expecting things to spike up around 9 o'clock, 9:30 tonight. But really, no big, huge sales. What is this one? BNT. Nah, I'm passing that. BQX. Nah. Bread. Bread looks interesting. Gonna put that down. BRD. Bread looks interesting. I'm gonna put a plus by bread. BTG. CDT, Syndicator. Keep in mind, I'm just keeping track of, these are for like short-term holds. I'm only expecting to, I'm only expecting maybe a 20% return. So I'll probably dump these sometime tomorrow if I do choose to buy some of them. So not a long-term hold at all. No. CMT. Nope. Not doing that one. Nope. Nope. See, I'm just going through. No. I'm looking for things that I think that are going to go up. And this one looks interesting. Dent. DNT. Let's take a look. Nope. Edo. Oh, I'm staying away from that one right now. Elf looks interesting. They call it ELF. Gen. Nope. Well, let's take a look. We have that coming down. Sit in the bottom. No, that's going to be I think that one's going to go up by the time I'm ready to make purchases. Engine Coin. No. EOS. No. ETC. No. 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 That looks interesting. That's the fun coin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. No. GTO. No. 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 See, a lot of these I'm just saying like no. This one looks interesting. IOST. IOTA. Here's a thing I like to see. Unfortunate. I mean, it's unfortunate, but I like to see these parabolic downturns. They're kind of like a upside reverse J. But right now, I might look. It looks like it's going to start going up by the time I'm going to buy. Looking for stuff that's still going to head on down. Can see, looks like it's going that way, but I don't like its pattern. Lend, no. Link, no. LRC, Let's go to the 4 hour on that one. Yeah, it could come down a bit. That's what it looks like. LRC. Okay. LSK Lisk. No. Litecoin. Yeah, I might pick up some more Litecoin. I like Litecoin. For me, that would be a long-term hold. So I put that plus there. Lunar. No. No. Ooh. This took a dump. So we have that might be interesting. No. 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 MTL, no. Nano, no. Nav. No, not feeling Nav right now. Nebulous. No. Neo. You know, Neo's like a long-term hold, pretty much. I did a review on it where I wasn't feeling it. You know, as far as from a developer's perspective. But, you know, from a price action perspective, I mean, look at this chart. I'm going to add that to my, actually, midterm long range hold. I think I'm going to look at NEO again. Because it has, I don't like it for long term being like 2 to 5 years. But maybe for a year out, it's looking kind of interesting. Nulls, no. OAX, no. OMG. No. What? Wrong one. I was on that Oaks. Here's OMG. OMG! Okay, it looks like it's doing the good old cup and handle. Or getting ready to, doesn't it? A little bit too high right now for my price. Not for my price, but I like to see it lower. It's too high of a level right now for me. This one, oh, this one's sucking wind. OST. See what's going on with that. Bump, bump, bump. No. Pivx, no. PO, no. Power, I'd like to see that at a steeper decline. Nope. QSP, no. QDM. QDM looks interesting. Well, no. Want it to be a steeper decline. I want more of a value. No on that. Request. Wow, big buy spike on request, huh? Doom. Not today. Not today. Salt. Oh, wait, that's RPX. Salt. So what salt's looking like? The 1 hour. No, too high. It's already bounced. Signals. Ooh, I'm liking signals. I might pick that up sooner than later. SNGLS. Look at him first. SNGLS. Gonna put a space. I might pick him up after I make this video. SNM. Yeah, SNM. SNT, no. Steam, no. Storage, no. Stratus, no. No. No, 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 no. As you can see, I'm not even charting. I'm looking for patterns. No. Vibe. Not today. Plus, I already have a core holding in Vibe. As a long-term hold. Vib. Not after that huge shoot up there. Wabi. Wabi's an interesting coin. Wow, it's a below $1.50. It's at 138 here. Wabi is a supply chain management type of coin. Fairly interesting. Yeah, I'm going to put Wabi on my list. I might be able to pick it up below where it's at right now. And I like Wabi. It's a good coin. I just don't like it at $1.38. I like it at $1.38. I like it at $1.50, but I don't like to buy it at $1.38. How's that? Let's look at waves. No. Too high. Wings. No. WTC. No. XLM. I'm going to have to put that down. I already have a core holding in XLM, but XML, so used to that. Come on, XLM. Because it's a Stella, yeah. So I might add to my core holding. We'll see if it goes down. I mean, it's at 35 cents. That's still, we'll see. But I'm looking for stuff tonight that I think is going to go down and will go up later on, late this evening. Don't like that. X-Verge. No, bottoming out. XZC. No. Yo-yo. No. No. Well, no. ZRX. Here's an example, okay, of what I'm looking for. You see how this goes down? It's like a nice elongated wedge. Spiraling downward, kind of like it's a coil. It's coiling up. And then there's this nice huge spike. And I'm seeing that pattern again. The question is, when is that spike going to hit? It might hit. If it goes down, I'm going to be real interested in this one. ZRX. Okay, so those are the coins that I'm taking a look at. Not doing anything with them right now, but later on, because right now it's about 2:30 in the afternoon, and later on I'll be taking a look at these coins maybe around 6 or 7, and then actually start making buys between 8 and 8:30 depending upon how they look. I'm hoping that these go down, so I'm looking for a bunch of reds. That they go down. If they don't, well, then I just won't pick any up. And I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing. Certainly don't follow me at all. Follow your own stuff. But this is just a quick thing of what I do, what I'm looking for, things of value. Right now, if we go back to Bitcoin, let's take a look at Bitcoin, because a lot of things follow Bitcoin. And yeah, so it looks like it still might be dumping a bit. We'll go here to the 15-minute. Yeah, it's one of those things, hard to say. Could just be going flat there for a bit because of that malaise. There's not a lot of excitement out there. It's like there isn't hardly any news. The news that we've had has been good news, and yet the market has gone down, so it is what it is. But anyway, yeah, if Bitcoin drops, we'll see how low it goes, and maybe I'll pick some more up. Yeah, we'll see. But right now it's at 98, almost 98.50. Anyway, that's about it. This video has gone on long enough, and I'm just showing you my shopping spree. So you guys have a great day, and yeah, that's about it. So there are some picks for you, and remember, do your own homework. Do your own homework on these things. That's what I do for the most part. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.